Just got back from the UPS and finally got my new iPhone. And yes, it looks and sounds like I haven't slept in 3 days, which I haven't, and my throat is absolutely destroyed, so I'm gonna sound pretty terrible today. But that doesn't matter because the iPhone is here and it's finally time for an epic iPhone unboxing. Oh my god, this phone is so good. I'm not even joking. I was running around the house for the past few hours just gushing over this phone and annoying my roommates. First of all, this phone looks so sleek, and the Sierra blue color I have over here looks especially great when it hits the light perfectly. I love just touching the back of the phone because it's so smooth, and the flat edges just feel and look amazing. The stainless steel does get fingerprinty very often though, and I did notice that the phone was a little thicker and heavier than before, most likely due to the increase in battery though. The camera bump is also gigantic, which makes the iPhone 12 look tiny in comparison. But I'm really glad I went with the normal Pro instead of the Max because this is the perfect size, not too big, not too small. Okay, but the look was not what blew me away. It was the 120Hz ProMotion display. The animations are insanely smooth and every touch on the display just responds instantly. It makes any 60Hz phone look garbage in comparison, and honestly, all I want to do is just scroll through this phone. The notch is also smaller, but it really doesn't matter cause you still don't get notification badges. The time has just this awkward gap surrounding it. Not to mention, Apple made the notch slightly taller so it cuts into YouTube videos. What is that, Apple? What is that? I also spent the remainder of the day running around with the camera because everything just looks amazing. I can definitely see the improvements in all 3 lenses, and photos and videos just look super crisp. The 3x optical zoom is actually quite nice for stalking people, and the ultra-wide macro mode is super fun to play around with. Cinematic mode doesn't look that great to be honest though. Night mode is however pretty impressive, especially with that new sensor and wider aperture. Bokeh looks awesome too. I will definitely be going super in depth about the cameras in my full review. And after playing with this iPhone all day, it only dropped from 68% out of the box to 22% after like 12 hours of use and 4.5 hours of screen on time. That is pretty insane. The only thing that did disappoint me though was the speakers. It didn't get as loud as I thought it would, and they clip and distort at high volumes. The bass hits pretty hard though. But anyways, I'm actually so psyched to test this phone out more, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Okay, I just want to go play with this phone some more now, so see you guys in the next one.